In this video, we are going to learn about cell style. Meaning of cell style. To apply several formats in one step and to make sure cells have consistent formatting, we can use a cell style. A cell style is a set of formatting such as font and font size, number format, cell border and cell shading. To prevent anyone from making changes to specific cell, we can also use a cell style. Lock cell. Microsoft Office Excel has several built-in cell style that we can apply or modify. We can also modify or duplicate a cell style to create our own custom cell style. Now suppose we want to change cell style of cell from A3 to G3. This one. So for that, first select any cell from current worksheet, like we are selecting A3 cell. This one. Then click to Home tab. In that, go to Style section area over here. In that, click to Cell Style. This one. The moment we have clicked to Cell Style, Microsoft Office built-in cell style will appear in front of us. We can select any cell style from this. This one, this one, this one, this one. We can select any one. Even though we can modify this built-in cell style. For that, move our cursor to any cell style and then do right click like this, and then click to modify like this, and then click to format. This one. The moment we click to format cell dialog box will appear in front of us. We can modify here. We can fill color, we can apply or we can change border, we can change font color, size, style and so on. After doing changes, click to OK. But here we are clicking to cancel because here we are not modifying. Therefore, click to cancel like this and again click to cancel. Now we will create our own cell style. For that, go to Style section area over here. In that, click to Cell Style and in that, click to New Cell Style like this. The moment we click to New Cell Style, Style dialog box will appear in front of us. Here we can give our own style name. Therefore, we are writing My Style over here. Below style name, there is style include. Here we will untick number like this. After this, click to format like this. The moment we click to format cell dialog box will appear in front of us. Now here we will create our own cell style. Like we will click to bold in font style like this. We will click to 12 in font size like this. We will click to Arial in font like this. We will change font color to white like this. After this, we will insert border. So for that, first click to border like this. Then we will click to this thick line and then we will click over preview like this. Now we will insert border color. For that, click to this down arrow. In that, click to this yellow color and then click over preview like this. After this, we will insert background color. So for that, first click to fill like this. Then select color. We are selecting this blue color. After doing all this, click to OK. Again click OK. Now our cell style is created. To apply our cell style, first select cell from A3 to G3 like this. Then go to Style section area over here. In that, click to Cell Style. In that, our created cell style is there. My style, this one. Just click that like this. The moment we have clicked My Style, all My Style customization has applied over cell from A3 to G3. Now suppose we want to modify anything in My Style. So for that, first go to Style section area over here. Then click to Cell Style. In that, move our cursor to My Style and then do right click. In that, click to Modify. The moment we have clicked to modify, Style dialog box will appear in front of us. In that, click to format. The moment we have clicked to format cell dialog box will appear in front of us. Now do changes like we are changing background color. So for that first click to fill and then select color like we are selecting this green color, this one. Then click OK. Again click OK. See, the moment we click OK, whatever changes we have done, it has applied to all cell in which my style has been used over here. So like this we can create our own cell style, and even though we can modify our own cell style. Try this in your Excel worksheet and I will see you in next video. Take care.